Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Ukraine has received $37 million in tracked crypto donations so far. Based on data gathered by Cointelegraph, the amount of tracked crypto donations sent to the Ukrainian government, military and charities has surpassed $37 million at the time of publication. These include Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Tether, USDT, and other altcoins. The numbers are also based on tracked projects and do not account for items such as donation efforts between individuals. The biggest recipient of crypto donations appears to be the Reserve Fund of Ukraine, backed by the country's native cryptocurrency exchange, Kuna. According to the official crypto address for helping the Ukrainian government. Second news today: in the first week of the Russia-Ukraine war, the Ukrainian government has reached out to the crypto community on Twitter to raise funds to support its civilians and troops. Ukraine has now started accepting donations in Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and Tether, USDT. Amid military threats throughout the country, Ukraine has sought help from numerous international organizations. However, considering that time is of the essence, the official Twitter account of Ukraine extended its call for help to crypto Twitter. Additionally, Mikhailo Fedorov, Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine, also shared 3 wallet addresses, urging the crypto community to donate and help Ukraine fight against Russian troops. While the BTC and ETH addresses remain the same, the USDT wallet address is TRC20 based and is different than the address shared by Ukraine's official Twitter handle. A proprietary investment firm that is invested in BlockFi, FTX and Solana in seed rounds. Kinetic executives Jihin Chu and Tony Gravinis are Neural general partners and contributing to a sizable GP commitment for the fund. Apple's venture is one of a growing number of crypto fund-of-funds operators to emerge lately, drawn by an abundance of portfolio managers to launch funds in the space in the last year or so. Former Fidelity Digital Funds executive Michael Zieneman is also attracting the interest of institutional investors for his crypto fund-of-funds, Dual Worlds. The source said Neural has an edge in being woman-run and minority-owned, a boon to institutional investors looking to diversify their portfolios, plus having the backing of crypto natives. Indeed, more than half of the firm's roster of fund managers come from diverse backgrounds, according to the marketing materials. This target area is quite far, for now. However, in the future, if the price slips the 0.083 level and carries its uptrend, 0.19 could be seen as a target. VET-USDT on a 1-week chart. The VET-USDT weekly chart paints a slightly different picture. The price has been rejected at the 0.1 supply zone. Vet bulls would ideally want to see this level flipped, not only because it is a massive supply zone, but because it will also break the bear market structure. This could then give it the momentum to move through the trend line for a much larger move. However, right now, it is likely that the price will get rejected and test the 0.061 level. This level should hold if there is still bullish momentum. BTC and ETH are leading the market currently. It, therefore, makes sense to compare VET to BTC and ETH. This is since you are taking more risks by holding VET coins. VET BTC on a 1-day chart. VET BTC has been in a consistent macro downtrend for almost a year now. However, after breaking out of the trend line and the bear market structure, it is moving forward to test higher levels. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. If the price does start to break below the supply zone at 140 sats, it will likely test the 120 sats area again. This scenario will be good for BTC bulls. However, for VET holders, they would be losing profits in comparison to BTC. At BTC on a 1-week chart. On the weekly chart, the price has broken through the trend line. It has since not shown much bullish momentum to the upside. As you can see above at 200 sats, there is a clear supply zone. This can be observed by the number of wicks showing rejection in attempts from buyers to push the price up. If the price moves down and tests 145 sats, buyers must step in, otherwise, the price will end up testing the lows again. The previous weekly candle also has no bottom wick, which is not particularly bullish. VET on a one-day chart, VET seems to be forming a range between 0.0000254 and 0.0001691. Since the price has just tested the higher level, it is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level. It can, therefore, be inferred that it is better to hold ETH than VET. The only way in which this would change is if 0.0002540 is flipped, which would then allow a move to around 0.00034. Although being short-term bearish on the pair is wise. The price has broken its bearish Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 VET has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. VET price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for VET will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. VET price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average VET price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price, 29 cents level. VET price prediction 2027. VET will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar